It's Jeff Meece at meece-car-audio. Today I'm super excited to show you guys the Audison Thesis speakers. These are the best of the best, and we just got these in for a client, so we thought we would shoot a little unboxing video here so you guys can check these things out. These are the absolute top of the line in the Audison brand, and they're very, very special speakers. They come from Italy. I want to show you guys the what they call the Violino tweeters first off here. So they come in this nice black box. Let's open these up and give them a look here. That is 38 millimeter tweeter, and in the car audio world that's pretty large. The reason for that it's so big is because these tweeters play down into the lower mid-range. That's a very, very good sound. And they actually have an enclosure that is built onto the back of these, so that these are a chambered tweeter designed to play at a very low frequency and then all the way up to a very high frequency. So the frequency response in these tweeters is about 1.5K all the way to 26,000 hertz. So these cover a very wide band. In this particular vehicle for the client, these are going to be mounted in the pillar, and they will be designed to be listened to on axis about 30 degrees, and these are going to be key to making this car sound great. It's just these tweeters right here. Super impressed with how heavy these things are. This is all metal. There's absolutely zero plastic involved in this design right here, and it's got a beautiful Audison logo there on the front that's kind of like laser cut into there. And their companion are these mid-ranges right here. These are what they call the SAX mid-range, and super cool design on these. So you'll notice, first thing you notice about these is just the super high quality neodymium magnet structure back here. This magnet structure that's on here is about 10 times more powerful than the standard magnets that come on regular speakers. So if the magnet strength on this is equivalent to maybe like an 8-inch or a 10-inch woofer standard magnet. So it's very, very strong magnet on here. You'll notice that the cone is kind of like this milky kind of construction. That is by design. It's a vary in thickness from the center to the outside edges, so it's not the same thickness of the cone, and that's by design. And you'll also notice that it's kind of clear in the middle. It's almost see-through with the Thesis logo inside right there. These mid-ranges are designed to go hand in hand with these tweeters, and these are just going to be the ultimate sound for our client right here.